Geek Support. How to fix camera error code 0SHA-OF4244 in Windows 10 11s. If you can't turn on your webcam or camera successfully and get an error message saying we can't find your camera in Windows 10, and the error code is 0SHA-OF4244, because might be antivirus software that's blocking the webcam or camera, or the problematic camera drivers. To resolve the problem, you can try solutions in this video guide. To streamline the process and avoid the complexities of entering commands in Windows PowerShell or making manual changes to the registry, I have created a configuration file designed to implement all the necessary adjustments and resolve the error. Based on extensive testing, this script has proven effective in 90% of cases. You can find the download link in the description of the video. Download the file and open the Downloads folder. Run the script by double-clicking the left mouse button. Confirm the changes to the registry editor by clicking Yes. After the script is completed, a notification will appear. Click OK. Restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Open the Start menu and launch the Camera app. Give the Camera app access to the location by clicking Yes. And that's all for this video, guys. Hope this helped. If so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, press the bell icon to get notified about new videos. And I will see you in my next video. Geek Support.